Okay, Kristen, so this is how you add me on Google and on Facebook. Okay, so first of all, you go to google.com/business and then you click in sign in. If you're already logged in with your account, it should take you right away. If not, you will have to put your email and password and it would take you to the Google Business profile. Probably it's going to be right away the equity plumbing, but if you have other businesses, you might pick it up from here. You click here and you pick the equity plumbing. So once you're here, you go down to users right here and click, and then you click add users. When you click in add users, you write here purpleroommarketing@gmail.com. Okay, my email account. Choose a role, either owner or manager. It doesn't really matter which one you give me. It's just in order to have enough powers so I can change things around. If you can put me owner, that would be perfect, so I can have more power in order to move things around and everything, but manager will do as well. And then, as I said, purpleroommarketing@gmail.com right here, and you invite me, and that should be enough in order to add me to the Google profile. Okay? Then for Facebook, so you log into your Facebook. Okay, then you go to your picture right here, to your pages. You go here to your pages. Now it shows you the different pages that you have. Okay, let's go on this one, for example. And now you go down, marketing. Okay, once you're in your page profile, you go on professional dashboard. Click. You go down to page access. Click. And then over here, you click add new. Next, and then you find me on Facebook and you add me. Okay, or you can add me up here, either or you can add me, and so I can have access to manage the page and helping with that as well. Okay, thank you so much.